Hello everyone, welcome back to our basic Excel course for beginners. Today we are diving into a very important skill, how to edit formulas in Excel effectively and easily. As you probably know, Excel formulas help us calculate data quickly and automate many tasks. But sometimes, even a small mistake in a formula can cause errors or incorrect results. So it's essential to know how to spot and fix these errors right away. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you have sales data. On the 17th of the month, sales were 2,000, and on another day, the 17th of October 2026, sales were 1,000. Now you want to calculate the total sales. But when you look at the formula in cell D3, it's showing 0 instead of the correct total. This means the formula is not referencing the right cells. To check, simply double-click on the formula cell D3. You'll see the formula currently adds B3 and D3, but actually it should be adding B3 and C3. So to fix it, delete D3 from the formula, select C3, and press Enter. Now the formula updates and you get the correct total of 3,000 in D3. What if you need to insert a new row to add more data in the future? For example, you want to add sales data for December 12, 2022. You can select row C, right-click, and choose Insert to add a new row in the right place. This lets you keep your data organized. After adding this new row, you might notice the total sales formula hasn't updated correctly and still shows 3,000 instead of the new total, 3,500. Don't worry, just double-click the formula cell again and update it by including the new cell in the sum. Then press Enter, and the formula will now correctly calculate 3,500. Editing formulas in Excel like this is simple but super powerful. It helps you keep your spreadsheets accurate and your work efficient. Plus, once you get comfortable with these steps, you'll be able to handle much more complex Excel tasks with confidence. Thanks so much for watching. Below the video, you'll find a practice exercise to try on your own. Give it a go and see how much you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful Excel tutorials in this beginner series. See you in the next video.